So there's three main types of links that you will be adding to your website when you're working in Hoolahoop. And the first is really easy. So let's just highlight some text here. And the first thing we're going to do is create a link to another page on the website. So the second option is to create a link to an external website. And then the third option is a link to a file, so like a PDF or something along those lines. So we'll create a link to another page on the website here, just by highlighting the text and then selecting the link option here. Once the link properties window here loads up, we will select the page just from the drop down here. So say we wanted to create a link to the home page, we can just select it like so. Say if we wanted to create a link to the photo galleries page, we would just select it like so. So now we'll create this link to the photo galleries page. We will hit the OK button here, and it'll create that link for you. The second type of link, so a link to an external page, again, you're just going to highlight the text and select the link button here. And then what you would do is you would either paste in the URL to that website here, or you can just type it in. So let's create a link to google.ca. And then a really important thing, so when you're creating links to an external website, or if you're creating links to a file, it's a really good idea to have it open up in a new tab. And you can do that by going into the Target tab over here, and then from the Target dropdown, selecting the New Window option. And what that'll do is that'll prevent people from wandering away from the website. It's especially important when you're linking through to PDFs, because people will click on the link, they will read the PDF, and then when they're done with it, they usually just close it. And if you don't have it opening up in a new window, it will close down the website, which you do not want. So so I have this one set to new window for the target, and then I will select the OK button here. So I've created that link to google.ca, and then I will highlight a bit more text, and we will create a link to a file. So again, I'm just going to highlight the text, select the link button here, and then I will hit the browse server button. So that'll bring up the server that we have set up. So there's a couple files in there already, and then if you want to upload a new one, you can just so again, like before, you can hit the browse files button here. You can go to your desktop and you can find the file, and you can double click on it, or you can click on it and then select the open option here, or, which is usually just kind of easier, you can just drag it and then drop it here. And then it's uploaded our PDF here. So now we can just select that link, and then if I jump back into Hoolahoop, it'll fill out everything for you here. You're just gonna, again, you're gonna want to make sure you go into the Target tab here, and then from the Target dropdown, select the New Window option, because that is really important. So now we will hit the OK button, and now if we hit the Save button down here, I will have those three links. And if I just quickly open up this page in another browser, I will refresh it here. And then you'll see here, so I have this link going through to the photo galleries page. And then if I go back, I will have a link to Google opening up in a new tab there. And if I go back, I will have that PDF there opening up in a new tab. And then I can close it. And then the website's still open there. One other quick thing, if I just jump in there and select the edit button, you can also link images through to files or through to other pages if you wanted, and you would just do that by selecting the image, just by left clicking on it and then selecting the link button there. And then if you wanted to, this jellyfish image can link through to the home page like so. And now that image is sort of acting like a button.